Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Cell wall synthesis and its inhibitors. So first let's look at the mnemonic. So there is a mnemonic known as the BBC. So what does it mean? It stands for the beta lactam. So it is the beta lactam. Then is the bacitracin. So it includes the beta lactam. There is a bacitracin. So there is bacitracin. Next is the involvement of the cycloserine. So there is beta lactam, bacitracin and cycloserine. Next is there is also the presence of the vancomycin. So there is vancomycin and there is also the phosphomycin. There is presence of phosphomycin. So now let's recap what we did here. So there is we saw the mnemonic BBC, that is a beta lactam, cell wall synthesis inhibitors, then it is a bacitracin, then there is also presence of cycloserine. Next there are other two drugs such as the vancomycin as well as the phosphomycin. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.